Fiberglass pools are vessels created of a reinforced fiberglass material that are then coated with a gel coat product in several different colors. The pros of fiberglass pools include cost effectiveness, low maintenance as far as upkeep after installation. Installation tends to be a more rapid process compared to some of the other types of pool installations. And because they're a lower skill set to install, there are more fiberglass pool contractors than any other type of contractor. The cons of fiberglass pools, however, are that you're limited in customization options based on the templates of what the provider offers. They can peel and crack over time if their gel coat bubbles or blisters, although that is less common today than it used to be in previous years. And if a repair needs done, sometimes the whole vessel needs replaced if there's a damage or a crack or something that cannot be repaired. Fiberglass pools can range in size from small cocktail pools all the way up to large vessels. However, most large vessels are created out of other products just out of pure durability. When considering the low maintenance aspect of fiberglass pools, they require significantly less chemicals and physical brushing down of the sides and bottom of the pool, which saves people money over time on maintenance and care of the pool. When it comes to installation of fiberglass pools, because the vessel is already pre-created off-site, oftentimes the time frame of disturbance on-site is anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. When that's compared to something like a shotcrete pool, which is often 3 to 6 months, it's a significant difference in how long your family is disturbed, which is a significant pro for a lot of people. When it comes to selecting colors for fiberglass pools, you're limited to the colors available by the manufacturer. Some manufacturers have more color options than others. It really depends on who you choose to work with.